Hello everyone! In this video, I'll guide you through the process of joining the GDSC Community and booking your seat for our upcoming event. It's a quick and easy process, so let's get started. First, open your browser and search for GDSC Community Dev in the search box. Then, click on the first link that appears. Now, sign up using your Google account. It's a seamless process and it only takes a moment. Once you're signed in, scroll down to find the search bar. In the search bar, type in your college name or your city to find our local GDSC chapter. Next, click the Join option to become a member of our GDSC community. Now, scroll down to explore the upcoming events section. From the list of upcoming events, select the second option. Fill in the required information as requested. This helps us ensure a smooth experience for you at the event. Once you've filled in all the information, click Submit. Now, check your Gmail. You should have received an email confirming your seat at the event. Inside the email, you'll find a link to download your event ticket. Be sure to download it and keep it handy. That's it. You're all set to join us at the event. We can't wait to see you there. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out to us. Thanks for watching and see you at the event.